Ever wondered what goes into making that perfect Snickers bar? You know, the one with that satisfying crunch, chewy caramel, and rich chocolate. Well, today, we're pulling back the curtain and taking you on an exclusive journey inside the Snickers factory. Get ready for a sweet adventure as we uncover the secrets behind one of the world's most beloved candy bars. From roasted peanuts to that final chocolatey coating, we're going to see it all. So, grab your sweet tooth, and let's dive in. Our journey begins where every Snickers bar gets its start, with the nougat. This isn't just any nougat, it's the fluffy, chewy foundation that holds everything together. Imagine giant mixers, the size of a small car, whipping up a delicious blend of corn syrup, sugar, egg whites, and a secret peanut butter flavoring. It's a precise science. The ingredients are carefully measured and mixed to achieve that perfect, light texture. This nougat is then spread onto massive cooling tables in a thick, even layer, looking like a giant, delicious mattress. As it cools, it sets, getting ready for the next delicious layer. It's a sight to behold, a sea of white nougat stretching as far as the eye can see, all waiting to become part of your favorite treat. Next up, it's time for that glorious, golden caramel. This is where things get sticky, in the best way possible. The caramel is made in enormous heated kettles, where a mixture of sugar, milk, and other ingredients is slowly cooked to perfection. The temperature and timing have to be just right to create that signature chewy, gooey texture that slowly stretches with every bite. Once the caramel reaches its ideal consistency, it's poured directly over the cool, firm layer of nougat. A special machine ensures the caramel is spread evenly, creating a perfect blanket of golden goodness. But wait, we're missing a key ingredient, aren't we? That's right, it's time for the peanuts. But these aren't just any peanuts. Snickers uses only high-quality peanuts that are roasted right in the factory to ensure maximum freshness and flavor. You can smell the incredible aroma of roasting nuts throughout the facility. Once roasted to a perfect golden brown, these peanuts are mixed directly into that warm, gooey layer of caramel. We're talking about a generous helping here, about half a pound of peanuts in every 4 pounds of candy. A special roller then gently presses the peanuts into the caramel, ensuring that every single bar is packed with that signature nutty crunch. This combination of chewy caramel and crunchy peanuts is what gives Snickers its iconic texture. Now we have this massive slab of nougat, caramel, and peanuts. It's an impressive sight, but it's not quite a Snickers bar yet. The next step is to cut it down to size. This giant candy sheet moves along a conveyor belt towards a series of cutting machines. First, long, sharp blades slice the slab into long, thin strips. Then, another set of cutters, moving with incredible speed and precision, chops these strips into the familiar bar shape we all know and love. It's a mesmerizing process to watch, as thousands of identical candy centers are created every minute, all perfectly portioned and ready for their final transformation. These naked bars are now on their way to the grand finale. And what's the grand finale? The chocolate, of course. This is where the magic truly happens. The perfectly cut bars travel along a conveyor belt towards what can only be described as a chocolate waterfall. A continuous cascade of rich melted milk chocolate completely enrobes each bar, coating it from top to bottom. It's a chocoholic's dream come true. As the bars emerge from this chocolatey curtain, they pass over a vibrating grid that shakes off any excess chocolate, ensuring a smooth, even coating. Then, a blast of cool air helps to create that signature wavy pattern on top of the bar. It's not just for looks, it's a mark of true Snickers quality. The freshly coated bars aren't ready to be eaten just yet. They need to chill out literally. The bars travel through a long cooling tunnel, which is essentially a giant, refrigerated conveyor belt. This crucial step allows the chocolate shell to harden properly, locking in all the deliciousness of the nougat, caramel, and peanuts inside. This process ensures that when you open a Snickers, the chocolate has that satisfying snap. It takes about 12 minutes for the bars to travel the entire length of the tunnel. Once they emerge on the other side, they are cool, firm, and officially complete. They are now, finally, the Snickers bars we all crave. But the journey isn't over. Now comes the wrapping process, a symphony of high-speed automation. These perfectly formed Snickers bars are funneled into wrapping machines that work at lightning speed. Each bar is individually sealed in that iconic brown, blue, and red wrapper to maintain freshness and protect it on its journey to you. It's incredible to watch these machines wrap hundreds of bars per minute, a blur of motion and color. From there, the wrapped bars are packed into boxes. The boxes are stacked onto pallets, and they are shipped out from the factory to stores all around the world, ready for you to enjoy. And there you have it. From a simple mix of nougat ingredients to the wrapped and boxed final product. The creation of a Snickers bar is a fascinating blend of culinary art and engineering. Marvel, every step is carefully controlled to ensure that each bar delivers that same satisfying experience time and time again. It is a process that has been perfected over decades to create a candy bar that is loved by millions. The next time you grab a Snickers, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took to get to you, from the fluffy nougat and gooey caramel to the roasted peanuts and rich chocolate shell. It's more than just a candy bar. It's a little piece of manufacturing magic. Thank you so much for joining us on this sweet tour of the Snickers factory. We hope you enjoyed this inside look at how your favorite candy bar is made. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what factory you'd like to see us explore next. And for more fascinating behind-the-scenes content, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay curious.